welcome to Practices Academy YouTube channel. My name is Justina and I'm the founder of Practices Academy. If you are studying for CIMA or ACCA, you are in the right place. At Practices Academy, we help accountancy students pass their exams with confidence. But we are not yet another learning provider. We are a team of passionate educators and tech enthusiasts who believe in smart learning. What makes us different? Well, first of all, we are professional tutors. Our expert tutors have recorded high-quality, structured videos to guide you through your exams. Second of all, we have support when you need it. If you have a doubt, just drop us an email and our tutors are available to answer your questions and keep you on track. Third of all, and this is my pride and joy, we have the largest question bank on the market. We are famous for it. We are covering every exam topic in depth. And what comes with that, we are using Moodle, which is the state-of-the-art practice platform that top of the universities worldwide are using, and they provide intuitive and effective learning experience. Now, a little bit about us. As you can figure out from the way I talk, we are a little bit nerdy. We love technology, but we also love education. Personally, my background is in IT and finance. When I started PTA years ago, my goal was to combine the best of both worlds, so cutting-edge technology with expert-led accountancy trainings. Fast forward to today, I think we've come a long way. What's coming on this channel? We are focusing on YouTube to bring even more valuable content, including exam strategies and tips to help you pass faster, walkthroughs of tricky topics in a clear and simple way, real exam-style question breakdowns, common mistakes students make and how to avoid them. And now some exciting updates for CIMA and ACCA. CIMA is covered, 2025 updates are done. As for ACCA, we are working on it. However, let me just give you an update. So ACCA has 3 levels. The first level, applied knowledge, is done. Applied skills, the next one, is almost done. We are 4 out of 6. And the last 2, which is tax and legal, will be done, I hope, in March. And as for the strategic professional level, we are working on it. We have already some of the trainings recorded, and the other ones we already scheduled. And we are already planning something big with another certification, but that is very hush-hush. So if you're serious about passing your exams, hit that subscribe button, turn on your notifications so you never miss an update. Drop us a comment below and tell us what topics you'd like us to cover. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!